What's the meaning of bequest? Bequest. Bequest.
Bequest. Bequest. A bequest is a gift of property or assets that is made in a last will and testament. This gift can be given to individuals, organizations, or even charities. A bequest can be a specific item or a sum of money, and it can be given either outright or with conditions attached. Bequests can be an important part of estate planning, as they can help ensure that assets are distributed according to the wishes of the deceased. Additionally, bequests can provide significant tax benefits for both the donor and the recipient. Overall, a bequest is a way for individuals to have an impact